In primetime news this evening, drought conditions worsening, forcing the NWC to implement water lockoffs.
A car involved in highway crash attacked by gunmen.
And campus brawl at Mona leads to protest. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about the latest decision from the Bank of Jamaica. Its policy interest rate remains at 7%. That and more in the business day.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Gio, there was a little bit of confusion about the scores at the end of the Western Relays, which was held at the weekend. We cleared that up with the organizers of the event. But what are the implications for qualifying for champs? I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
And we spoke about drought. Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in weather. Romain?
Thanks so much, Janella. Yes, dry conditions. We are still in the peak of the dry season, so we're not expecting any significant rainfall across the island. We'll tell you more later.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, in what ways are you being impacted by the drought?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.